is me, and this is Kevin. So now I'm gonna play Clash of Clans with my best
I
friend.
got anything planned of here. Look!
But she's level 13 and I'm, oh my god, so big.
I'm gonna attack.
I'm gonna own a tablet to play some Clash of Clans.
I'm gonna.
I have a passive Clash of Clans because my sister and brother is so, oh my god. Let's, we can prove it. This is my Clash of Clans. Yeah. Are you talking? See him. On this blue. That blue. Yay!
Oh god,
I'm gonna get the money and the electric storage. So yeah, let's get it.
yes! Yung money.
My god, it's level 4! Oh my god!
Oh god, I'm gonna waste one man left.
Just one! I don't want.
Yes, I'm got one left.
Look, guys.
One left.
Look, they have one left. This is one silver barrier.
Let me see.
Oh my god, yeah, let's roll up, so yeah. Guys, what is the on your channel? My level is 7 and you is level, oh my god. You're attacking first. It's level 7. And my mortar is level 4 and yeah, level 4. And my electric storage is level 11. And my channel is leveling and
She
level
don't
8.
like this. She don't have like this.
She's building in it. And then this is the gold storage is level 10. And my another gold storage is level 10 and my barracks is level 6 and wait. My archer queen is my archer tower is level 7. And my wizard is level 3. And then, oh my god, my wizard is moving. What is level on your all can? What is that? Please see.
Level
Share
13.
him. No. What is level here and here? Wait, me first. My giant map is on a level 1. And my gold mine is level 8. All him level 8 and my electric storage is level 6. And my dark electric storage is level only 1. And my all army comp is just 2.
Oh no, my money.
And let me show you my all ghetto, my all ghetto, my trip. Oh yeah. I have a barbarian, a archer, a giant, a golden, a goblin, and a woolbreaker, a baleen.
Hey, she attacked me.
And this is, I have
Look at
just
it.
one wizard.
She's fighting me.
Wait.
Or
Did I say?
stay.
Yeah, I'm down to your turn. Your turn. Turn home. Turn home. Okay, room tower. How many level your archer? Okay, see them. Okay, see them. Her archer is just level 1.
Because I am old.
Yeah, no. She's new in the Clash of Clans. And the Alexis Storage is level
I'm
10.
I'm starting on next.
What? And the cannon is level 2. And her another archer's power is don't turn off the light.
I will turn off the light.
No, hey. And she has murder. Oh my God, it's level 1.
What?
And her tunnel is level 4.
I want to be level 5.
And her electric collector is level 4. And here clan is ESR. I mean ESR. And my clan is Creakers. And they're black. Black orange. And yeah.
Look at my butt. Look at my butt.
Can you join my work? So guys, this is my clan and I have searched this because my tablet is tablet. So here's my
Clan.
I mean my clan.
Hey, give me back to me.
Wait. And my clan is here. Wait, you can look at him. Wait a minute. Mommy!
Mom!
You can share with me? Oh my god. Wait. Okay, trust my tablet is information. So, this is my Clash of Clans. So my level is just...
What is that?
Oh my god.
Look at it. What's this?
A spell factory! Why are you... And just 43 my level. Wait. Thanks for watching my video of my Clash of Clans here.
Oh, I get it.
Bye bye.
I get it.
Oh.
I'll get it.